Hello, I am Mr. Victor representing FFH Dynamic Concepts, an ICT based company located in Abuja, Jabi, Nigeria. I'm here to talk to you about how you can start printing recharge cards of all GSM networks in Nigeria, how you can get the software from us and e-pins of all GSM networks at a mouth-watering price so as to maximize the profit available in recharge card printing and selling business. So let's get started. Things needed to start recharge card printing business. One is computer system you need. It can be a laptop or a desktop computer. The next thing you need is a printer. Any printer that makes use of A4 paper size can be used to start this business. Then the next thing you need is a software. And the last thing you need is an e-pin of all GSM networks. So now talking about the software, you can get our own software which we recommend for everybody so as to access the e-pins we sell at a mouth-watering price. The name of our own software is FFH Pin Extractor. You can download this software for free at www.rechargecardprinting.info. So at that website you can get access to the software, or you can call us on 08060850839 to access the software or to get activation key from us. Having said that, the next thing will be to show you how to use the software. So when you have the software FFH Pin Extractor installed in your computer, it will be available just as you can see mine on the screen. So the first thing you need to do is to double click on the shortcut of the software. When you do that, it will come up for you to use. So you just wait a little while for it to come up. So here you can see enter your name and password for access. So under name you have to type admin, which is the compulsory phrase to type there, admin, which you can see ADMIN. You don't need anything as password. You come here and select OK. So when you click on OK, it will display this part where you can see file, print, utility and help. Under help you will see about FFH Pin Extractor. Here you can now see our phone number and our contact address displayed to you. So you have to start from file. When you start from file, it will display to you setup, import and exit. So you click on setup. So under setup it will show you company name and address. This is where you can now enter your customized name and address for customers to see when they buy your recharge card from you. So when you click on it, it will show you company information. So the default one you will see there is FFH because that is the owner of the software. The same way you can remove it and enter your own unique name. So if I say I want to put my name Victor Communications. So when you enter your unique name, you click on OK. That name will be established inside the software and to remain there until you like to change it to be something new. So when you start from file, knowing that you've done the setup, you go straight to import. So it's under import, you can now see all the various networks displayed to you. Then you select the very one you want to print at that very point in time. So let's work with MTN at this point in time. So when you click on MTN, you can see the network will be displayed to you, which is the current one, MTN 17-digit pin. Then under reference number, you can enter anything you like. So I'll enter MTN as my reference number because it's MTN pin I'm about to print. So after your reference number, the next thing will be get file. This get file is where you direct the software to upload the pin you've already gotten from us. So you click on it, get file, then you click on computer. So under this computer, you can now locate wherever you've saved that file you've bought from us, which is the e-pin of the network you're about to print. So I have my test run pin inside my local disk. I can now check my sample file. Then you can see I have different set of pins. Then I want to print just this MTN 100 5000 pins. So when I select this one, it will show here, meaning this is the file I've selected. I'll come here and OK it. Then the file will fill the space. Then I'll come here and select extract pins for printing. Then it will ask me a question. Do you want it to display to me? Do you want to extract pins? Then you select yes. Then to give you extraction of pins completed successfully. Total number of pins extracted 5000. So talking about this total number of pins extracted, it will show you the number of pins you have inside the file that you are about to print. So if you pay for a particular number of pins, that number of pins is what you're supposed to see as total number of pins extracted. Then you click on OK. Then the next thing is to click on close. So when you click on close, it simply means you've completed everything about this file. So you just to go to print and print out your card. So you click on print, select the first option, print voucher. Then you come here and select that same network you are currently working with, which is MTN at this point in time. So when you select MTN, you will get here paper type. Under paper type, you will meet customized paper as the first option. That is not the cheapest paper money can buy. The cheapest paper money can buy is plain paper. So you click on this arrow for you to see plain paper option. So if you are printing 100 naira denomination, ensure you select 40 per page. That is to reduce the cost of production. So when you select 40 per page, you can print it as landscape or leave it as portrait. It's up to you. Then you click on OK. So the next thing will be from 1 to what. This 2 is where you will now type the total number of pins that you have extracted before getting to this spot. I have 5000. I will type 5000 on my keyboard and click on OK. Print preview is the first option, which is the best so as to see what you're about to print. So I'll click OK again. My cards will be displayed to me, which you can see here: the customized name, Victor Communications, reference number, serial number, pin number, date and time, and the denomination 100 naira denomination. So I can now click on this print report so as to make it to start coming out from my printer. So when you do that, by this time it will be coming out from your printer. So after collecting it, it will go to this print voucher part which you have passed before. So you have to use X to close it, or you use cancel to clear it. Then you come to utility. Simply means you finish everything about print. So just to go to utility, purge files. Then you select all transactions. When you select all transactions, you are not expected to enter anything as your reference number. Then you click on OK. To ask you to display to you, do you want to purge all transactions? Select yes. Then you get operation completed successfully. You click on OK. So if you have another network to print, the same way you go to file, straight to import, select something else, they follow the same process. Otherwise, if you don't have anything to print, to exit the software under file, you click on it. It's now ask you, are you sure you want to exit FFH pin extractor? Select yes. So you select yes, it will clear for you to use your computer for any other thing you want to use it for. So talking about how you can make more inquiries, you can see it on the screen. For questions and more inquiries, call FFH Dynamic Concept. This is our phone number, which is 08060850839. Or you can visit our website, which is www.rechargecardprinting.info, or you can email us at info@rechargecardprinting.info. Our head office is at plot 503 Obafemi Awolowo Way, inside Busy Mart Plaza, Suite B2, Jabi District, Abuja, Nigeria. So you have all our contacts. You can get in touch with us for us to get started and